So the Cold War, a war of words and threats between the USA and the USSR. We never actually went to war or fought the USSR, but we certainly threatened to and came close many times. What do you think kept us from going to war? Addie Wakefield? Or Addie Sleepfield? Come on, wake up, Wakey. Why do you think we never went to war with the USSR? What kept us or them from attacking? Well, what did we have that they also had that would have been a big deterrent from attacking? Addison? Yes, very good. Nukes. We both had nuclear weapons, and a lot of them, enough to blow up the whole world many times over. Do you think we really wanted to do that, or even they wanted to? Of course not. So having these awful, terrible, destructive weapons might have actually saved us all. But there were conflicts and wars during this time, all of them about the spread of communism. We tried to stop the spread of communism. The Soviet Union was always trying to spread communism around the world. Building of the Berlin Wall, about the spread of communism. Splitting up Europe, about the spread of communism. Splitting up Germany, splitting Berlin, splitting Korea, all about the spread of communism. The Cuban Missile Crisis was about the spread of communism. The Korean War, the Vietnam War, both about the spread of communism. The war in Afghanistan when the USSR tried to make that country communist, the spread of communism. These are all events in the Cold War, and many people died during some of these events, but the USA never had a war with the USSR. It was a Cold War. Today, only a few communist countries even remain. Cuba, China, Vietnam, North Korea, these are just the main ones. Even the USSR, or Russia as it's called again today, is not communist. Russia, the first country ever to try communism, they're no longer communist. It failed. But why? How did they get rid of it? That's a great question, and we will get to that in our next section, the fall of communism. Quiz time. That's right, quiz time. You know the drill. It's in the remote learning folder, week 8. And as they say often in Russia, man, is it cold. Go take the quiz.